Whoa! Whew. Crazy blizzarding outside. Watching Futurama, trying to get some sleep, but the wind is keeping me awake. Good morning there, folks. Well, we had some hellish winds last night, like hellish winds. I need to go collect the bin that's like fallen over and like halfway down the street, so I need to go get that in. And then I'm gonna let His Royal Highness outside. But not only did we have hellish winds that brought in like a lot of snow, probably should snow blow the drive, but nah. Minus 43. And let the dog outside. Then what I'm going to do is carry on cleaning. Matthew comes home today. He should be back at work by like 3. So I've just got a shower and stuff. So I'm going to continue cleaning this bit. Cleaning here. Get this all sorted. Throw that out. Fold those. Clean in here. And then we are done. And then hopefully the house will actually stay clean. Hopefully. It's minus 43, I don't want to go outside. I don't want to go outside. It's cold. Oh, bugger me. Anyway, let's crack on with the day. Alright, so now we have one extremely tidy house. Entrance, porch, washroom, pretty clean. Going into the kitchen, pretty clean. Dining room, there's only like the old laptop and stuff. Living room, there's one messy pooch. Toys and stuff, pretty clean. And then we have bathroom. I've taken my clothes off the bed and put them in a tote. Matthew is going to be coming home at about 4 o'clock, so we're going to go through these. And then we have ta-da! The office. You easily squeeze a bed in here now. So much room for activities. What I'm going to do now is, I don't know. What am I going to do now? No, I want to stay. We have 2 hours and 16 minutes before I have a video uploading. So I think what I'm going to do is edit. It's the only thing I really can do. I'd play on the Xbox, but because I'm uploading a video, we won't be able to play on the Xbox because the internet won't work. Because we have crap internet, even though we're supposed to have like one of the best internets that SAS to offer. That's stupid! You're home early.
No, I said 2 to 3.
Bear! Hey Bear! It's Dad! It's Dad! Get him!
It's not really clean, is it? Like, there's still junk everywhere. I think I'm going to go to bed now, so...
You have to sleep on the sofa. You see how like all of my clothes fit in one puny little tote? Look at this, man. This is... Don't mess it up, because I will. You just... Wait.
So your definition of cleaning is just move everything into another different room? Is that what it is? Is that what you said?
So before you couldn't even walk in the office. I haven't gone in there.
Before you could walk in the office.
You couldn't. You had to like you had to like climb over things.
You can now still walk in the office. There's now no room for the clothes.
We're throwing all of yours out. You got it?
Mostly.
Just don't drop it on your tootsies. Matthew got his fitness planner, so he can do his furniture building. Are you gonna do that now? Should we just crack one out now?
Yeah.
Boom! Coffee table. Boom! Sofa table.
Nice.
You're happy now?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm having yet. Me and Matthew have just been into the gym. We've then obviously, it's just been and let the dog outside. It's so cold. Some parts of the garden, the snow like comes up to here, but there's no snow altogether. I wish it was that deep everywhere, then we would be able to go out on the sleds. How was your conference?
Conference?
Thing.
Oh! Yeah. Conference.
How was Saskatoon? In which all you do is drink anyway. So how was your 3-day, 4-day drinking session?
I'm too old for this. It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Did many things. Lots of networking. Lots of very important stuff.
Drinking.
Love that idea.
Pre-workout and then watch the rest.
Protein shakes.
Today, hamstrings in the morning, quads at night, splitting them up, getting back to really focusing on detailed leg work. Very bodybuilder-esque. Guys,
Eat it with a spoon. That looks nice. Good morning, folks. A couple of videos ago, I suggested that we should get up at 5. It was a stupid idea then. It's a stupid idea now. It's not 5 o'clock, however. It is 6:22. Matthew has already just gone into the gym. There. It is time to go into the gym. I did biceps and triceps yesterday, so we're doing back today. And I think me and Matthew are going to do a push-up challenge, so like 30 push-ups a day for 30 days. See where that leads us. Oh, I am tired, so we'll see where this goes. Hey, Poochie! Do you want to go outside?
FYI,
Yeah?
minus 29.5 outside.
So it feels like minus 43 though.
I know.
Put inside. It's fine. I'll let you, buddy.
What's big?
Just gonna put it better. Wait till we have a fence.
We have one.
I mean, it's not a fence without gates. Are you ready to go outside, buddy? I'm ready to go outside. It's minus 43 degrees Celsius.
Which I do believe.
Is minus.
Well, I think it's minus 40. That's the cross.
Yeah, so it's like
It's cold.
it's cold. That's why I look like an Eskimo. Oh my Christ, it is cold outside. We're done in the gym. How was your workout this morning? I feel like I burned more calories on the morning.
You burn
Because
more calories in the morning.
on an evening,
Oh.
because I have more energy.
Yes, but now
Whereas doing it without food, I burn like half the amount.
yes, but now you're awake. It's 7:30. You've worked out.
I'm going back to bed. Oh, stop. Alright. Gotta do 30 press-ups. I'm in the office, obviously, using the computer. Feel pretty good this morning, even though we said we were gonna get up at 5. Matt woke me up at like 6:30 to go into the gym. Got my workout in. Only issue with working out in the morning is, you know, the rest of the day you can do whatever you want. You've got all this time. Awesome. Bad news is I just don't have the same amount of energy as I do on an evening. So like on an evening, my normal exercise and gym program, I would burn about 400 to 500 calories, whereas today I burned 210. So tomorrow, hopefully my alarms are all set for 5. I'll get up at 5, have a coffee, get some food in me, you know, try and get some water in me, then go into the gym, and we have chest and shoulders tomorrow. I did specifically just back today, and then I just did my 30 push-ups. Me and Matthew are going to do 30 push-ups for 30 days. Yes, they are girly push-ups because I can only do, at the minute, like the last time I could do press-ups, I could do like 10 for the normal. I can't. It's been a while since I did press-ups. So I've done mine. I am going to look for some jobs because the jobs I've applied for, I haven't heard anything yet. So I'm going to look for some jobs. Probably also going to do a little bit of editing today and uploading. I also want to try and get in touch with Barbara. Barbara's the travel agent we went to talk to in August to talk about wedding plans, because Matthew and I talked about the wedding on Sunday with Dan and Emma, and it was kind of like Dan and Emma are going to Florida in March, and we've always discussed going with them, and I love Disney. I want to go, obviously. It's Disney, but we were kind of hesitant. We're hesitant about booking it because obviously we need to get the wedding booked and planned, and obviously I'm unemployed, so there's no money coming in for me. So we're a bit hesitant towards it. And kind of hopefully get prices for the Bahamas, see what it is. I know we're taking a bit of a risk with the weather because it's a bit unpredictable, but me and Matthew have been dating 9 years, 5 days. Me and Matthew have been dating 9 years. And we haven't been on holiday yet together alone. To the people that say we moved to Canada, no. A, Matthew and I moved out at different times. He moved in April, I moved out in June. B, we live here. When you live and you work and you have bills, it's not really a holiday. To the people that say we actually came to the UK and we flew to the UK, you know, we've flown to the UK twice, I've been 3 times. Not a holiday. You're going home. Running around for 2 weeks trying to see everybody isn't really a holiday. 2 weeks isn't even enough to like see everybody. So not a holiday. We've been for like short breaks around like the UK, but never alone. We've always been for like family trips. Somewhere nice and warm with like nice white sandy beaches and like blue turquoisey water, and just serving me pina coladas. Sounds perfect to me. So I'm hopefully gonna get in touch with her, try and find out prices. Matthew isn't in the frame of mind to book the wedding because he knows my parents are coming out in like 8 weeks, and he's hoping that my mum will come out and just book it, done, and he doesn't have to worry about it. Just seeing if this is any better because I've literally just changed some of the settings on my camera to like track, and I've also changed the frames per second and the image quality. So is this better? or is this worse?